Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time visiting, welcome to my channel. I am super excited about today's video because I have another product that I'm going to review with you guys, and it's kind of perfect timing how I did it because in the last video I straightened my hair. I'll link it so you can see what I'm talking about in that video, but because I've straightened my hair, now that I need to wash my hair, I needed to go in and do a really good wash and clarify. Hence the product I'm reviewing today. It is Olaplex's new 4C clarifying shampoo. It's officially Olaplex number 4C bond maintenance clarifying shampoo. Literally perfect timing because my scalp itches, still tender a little bit. It has all kinds of product in it because I straightened my hair. So it's just perfect, So real quick, specs on it. Right from the website, it's a clarifying shampoo, so it's going to remove buildup. What they're listing off as visible hair benefits right away is going to be airy volume and softness, restored shine, vibrant color clarity, and deeply clean scalp, which that's what I'm here for. They have a whole list of all the ingredients. You can use this one weekly in place of your regular shampoo. Some of the things that I learned about it, especially because I sell this to stylists, is that it is meant to be like a true clarifying shampoo. So it's going to remove hard water, chlorine, like all those things that clarifying shampoos say that they do from other brands, except this one isn't going to strip your hair to the point where it's like dry and brittle feeling. And if you have color, they said that it's not going to strip all your color out either. So it's safe in that way too. And then obviously with it being Olaplex, it has that bond building complex that they've patented. So it's essentially got all the good stuff in it, but it's clarifying, so it's going to pull everything out that needs to come out of your hair so that you can reset your hair for whatever you're going to do when you get to go to wash your hair again. The main reason I got excited for this is because most stylists I know in general, we always do 2 shampoos and a condition, deep condition, whatever that step is, treatment, whatever. But my main thing is starting off with 2 shampoos. The first being the clarifying to get everything out of the hair that was on the hair, to give me a fresh reset on the hair before I go in to style anyone's hair or my own hair. So the main thing that made me excited about this is that now I have a shampoo that I can use as a clarifier before I would go in and use like the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, the regular number 4 and 5 set, or the 4 and 8, like the mask or whatever, however your hair is feeling or whatever the case is. Now I have one that goes with it instead of trying to find another brand's clarifying shampoo and hoping that it takes everything out so that the Olaplex can go in and do what it needs to do. And even being that it is a part of the Olaplex system, it's just going to be a great clarifying shampoo to start off with any shampoo and conditioner that you would use, I can imagine, because all of the properties that it contains to deliver the results that Olaplex delivers with like all their other products. The directions are super simple. It just says apply to wet hair, concentrate on the scalp and work through the ends, lather and fully leave on up to 5 minutes. That's pretty much it. And then of course rinse well, and then you go right in with your next shampoo. That's how I'm gonna do it. And even for hair that I do, that's exactly what I do. And of course it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, nut-free, paraben-free, pH balanced, which all their stuff is, phosphate-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, vegan. It says that it removes heavy metals, minerals, chlorine, pollutants, and product buildup without stripping the hair for visibly healthier hair. And that was my biggest thing, is like finding a clarifying shampoo that gets the job done the way you need it to without your hair feeling like you stripped every ounce of everything out of it that needed to stay in there, because then you have to work super hard to build your hair back up and get everything back in it that needs to be in there. So that's why I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair. I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna use it the way it's saying to use it, because it's time to wash this hair. It is definitely time. It still has its shine and stuff like that, but like I said, my scalp is kind of like, my scalp is itchy. It's still tender because of what my scalp is going through. Not as much, but I can definitely tell it's time. So I'm excited for this. Let me go wet my hair and then I will be back to start this process. Okay, we are live in my bathroom. My hair is all wet, but I wanted to apply this so you guys can see what it looks like, how it lathers, stuff like that. So I had to move to the bathroom because I knew I would be a wet, drippy mess if I did it anywhere else. At least I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna split it in a section so you can see what it looks like. I got my water bottle to wet my hair, so it's going to emulate being wet like I'm washing my hair at the bowl or in the shower. And this will look a little different as well because I also got the liter size. I am a product junkie, and I was that as soon as I became a stylist, so it is what it is. I don't know if this size is available to the general public. I think it is because they changed over to liters for the regular 4 and 5 as well, so this might be. But I just pumped some out, did one pump. Honestly, that's probably enough for like half my head, but I did one pump and it is clear. The bottle was just blue to emulate cleanliness, they said, but it is a clear shampoo, and their stuff is super concentrated. It's super thick, like you don't need much of it. So I'm specifically going in on my scalp because dog it, did I need it. Oh yeah, this feels really good so far because my scalp needed this. And I'm gonna spread it over the entire section, but my main focus is my scalp, and I'm not scratching my scalp. You see, I'm just rubbing. Very specific to rubbing because, and even if I use my fingertips, it's my tips and not my nails because my scalp is still sensitive. It's giving me traditional Olaplex smell. It smells just like everything else from their line. I'm pumping a little more so I can get the back part of this section because I'm really trying to get in my scalp. It lathered up really well, and so you can add this. It says start at the root and work it through to the ends. So I would literally just pull it down to the ends of my hair. And obviously it's gonna be a little bit skewed because I'm not under water where it was wet more, but even using my water bottle to spray it is giving me all the lather that I need, which with a clarifying shampoo, you should expect it to lather because that's exactly what the lather is there for. This, it smells just like I thought it would, like the rest of their stuff. That front section is all right. This back though, ooh, this back is itchy. So I'm wetting it so it's more like the drippy wet. Get this pump out, and then I'm using the pads of my fingers to apply it right to my scalp. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to scratch it because, oh, my scalp itches. This rubbing feels good though. Because like I said, my head needed it. All right, one more pump. I'm an overuser, I know, but it's fine. It's fine. Ooh-wee. And then the main thing too, obviously with it being a clarifying shampoo, most clarifying shampoos give you that squeaky clean that people be afraid of. So they claim that this is going to clarify your hair the way it needs to without stripping it of like all the natural oils, especially that texture hair thrives off of. I definitely am going to be looking for that once I rinse this as well. I'm trying to hurry up and get through the sections because my scalp itches. That's my main thing. I will say, my scalp don't itch on that side no more. I was able to rub the shampoo through. The vigorous rubbing might have added to it, but right in there. Oh, yep. Ooh, yeah. This feels great. I'm gonna pull it through to the end. And I'm also being more gentle because my hair is still, going through telogen effluvium and shedding, so I'm still being as gentle as I possibly can anyway, and that's another reason why I'm not just going in and scratching my scalp, although it's very tempting because it itches. But I know because it's sensitive it'll hurt right now, so I won't do that. All right, last section. I like the way this still smells anyway. It's not too heavily scented or anything like that. It just smells nice. Ooh, yeah. I might be an overuser, but I feel like I needed all of this time. And it says to leave it on for up to 5 minutes too. I'm okay with that. Oh, I started scratching. Shoot. Just felt really good. All right, bringing that into the ends. I'm gonna let it sit on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse everything out and be back with my final thoughts on how it feels after I rinse it. So, I'm back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, just clarified, nothing else. And I am clarified. It is definitely the squeaky clean that you expect from a clarifying shampoo, but what I can say is different is that it's like, it still has a little bit of a shine to it, which is weird because I'm like, I feel like it took everything out it took to straighten my hair. But like, let me see if y'all can see it. Like, it's still really shiny. Like, it's not dull because it got clarified. Okay, I'll take that. But it's like, I wish I could get it to squeak. Like, it's like squeaky clean. Like, you can tell that it's clean. It's clarified. Like, my hands are, that's how my hair feels, but it don't feel like overly dry or anything. And I'm purposely using this with another second shampoo from another brand and conditioner to test how clarifying it is, because if a clarifying shampoo truly works, your next shampoo, that shampoo should be able to do everything that it's supposed to do for your hair. And I'm going in purposely with a moisturizing shampoo because my hair needs it, and of course I'm taking all the precautions I can to make sure my hair stays as safe as possible. But like, this stuff is clarified. Like, I don't know if you can see it, maybe on this side. Like, we are squeaky, but like, it's like, it's soft. It's squeaky and soft. It's so weird. I don't really know how to explain that. But I'm gonna go ahead and say, if y'all looking for a new clarifying shampoo, to give it a try. If the liter is available for the general consumer, I'll link that down below too. But otherwise, it's gonna be the 8.5 ounce that you can pick up, and I'll link that down below. So, that being said, I need to finish my wash day. So, that'll be all for now. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post and upload. If you have any questions about the clarifying shampoo or Olaplex in general, leave them in the comments below. I'll get to them as fast as I possibly can, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.